Welcome to video number 5 in the for sale by owner process of selling your home without a real estate agent. This video is about the expenses incurred by a FSBO seller and other related insights for you as you sell your home by yourself. By the way, if you haven't watched the launch of your home video, which is number 4 in this video series, I have linked it here. Suggest you watch that video before this. Hey, I am Ravi Ramachandran with the Rams Group. We specialize in helping home sellers just like you take full control of the real estate process with confidence and total ease. Now, before we dive in, if you have any questions about anything that is covered, feel free to reach out to me. I've included my contact information in the description below. And don't forget to grab the several goodies along the way that I've shared. After looking at what is involved with the prep, marketing, and launch and sale of your home, here are the expenses incurred by a for sale by owner and a few other gotchas as well as related insights that you need to be aware of to bring this full circle. First, just because you want to sell your home by yourself, it doesn't mean that you're not going to have expenses or fees. Let's be real here. It is something that you just cannot avoid. First off, most real estate transactions are co-brokered, which means that there's a buyer broker on the other side of the transaction. So you may have to pay their commission for bringing a buyer, which typically is what was agreed between the buyer broker and the buyer. With the recent NAR changes about buyer broker commissions, this is something that you as a FSBO seller will have to be aware of and potentially compensate the buyer broker for bringing a bona fide buyer to buy your home. To you, the seller, this could be 0, 1, 2, or 3% or even a fixed expense. All that said, commissions are always fully negotiable and not mandated by law. However, you as the FSBO seller providing the buyer broker a commission may potentially offer them enough incentive to not only show, but to sell your home as well to their buyer. Something for you to think about and consider. Also be aware that the buyer's agent is representing the buyer and they're not representing you, the FSBO seller. Then there is the state excise tax when you sell your home. In Washington, which can be between 1 to 3% of the sale price of your home. Now I've provided a link below which discusses the tax structure in detail. Now these additional charges vary by the state as well. On top of that, you have the title plus escrow fees. Now escrow fees are normally 1 to 2% of the sale price of the home and is split between the seller and buyer. Of course, everything is negotiable. Something for you to account for. In addition, you'll have the notary fees, recording fees, to name a few others. Plus, if you're going the attorney route, you will have the attorney fees to take care of as well. I would strongly advise you to not go it alone. Hire an experienced real estate attorney to help you with the sale. Now you'll be spending for this attorney and not having a listing agent represent you shaves off that part of the expense. All in all, you're looking at spending about 7 to 8%, give or take, overall, for hiring an attorney to represent you in the sale of your home by yourself. If you are confident enough to go it alone and have no attorney represent you, you may potentially be spending to compensate the buyer broker and the other expenses which we already discussed. Now those pretty much sum up all the steps and costs involved for selling your home FSBO. Now all that said, you may be wondering why are Ravi and Sijy at the Rams Group offering all this advice for free? Aren't they realtors themselves? And isn't this how they make a living? Why would they give all this away? Valid question. First off, we believe in educating our clients, and in real estate transactions there are lots of moving pieces, as you may realize, and there's so much information out there as well as misinformation on the internet that we want to dispel. And the ultimate goal is to break it all down into simple and easy steps for you to consume. And after knowing what all is involved in the sale of your home, if you think that you have a good handle on this and have gone through this route before and think that you can comfortably pull this off, hey, full power and glory to you. We wish you the best. However, after knowing what all is involved, you feel it's a bit too much for you to chew on and handle, you will consider hiring us. Either way, it's a win-win. And yes, we are real estate agents and do this full-time for a living and very well protect our clients' equity. Now, we are based off of Washington State and have been helping our clients sell their homes for thousands more than what they would have otherwise got by selling their homes the traditional real estate way. We have several unique strategies and tips that we offer to clients who hire us, helping them get top dollar. And we don't say this lightly. Interview us and ask about our 12 top-notch selling strategies and how we can sell your home for thousands more. So, should you want to try this on your own first and ever feel that you need assistance from a real estate agent, feel free to reach out to us. We can help you, as we said. And also, anywhere else in Washington, which is outside our service area, or in any of the 50 states in the US and Canada, feel free to reach out to us. And I can personally interview a quality agent with the same level of dedication as us and have them take care of your home sale for you. You can find more about our passion through our online reviews, what our other clients of ours had to say about their experience working with us. Feel free to check that out. That said, should you have any questions or need assistance, do not hesitate to get in touch. I've included my contact information in the description below. Hey, also, if you found the information in this video useful, leave a comment below and let us know if you gleaned something useful or if there was something that was called out in the video that was an aha moment for you. Also, if you found this video insightful and useful, consider subscribing to our channel and hitting that bell icon. It'll not only help the algorithm, it'll help you get notified as well, because I am planning to launch informative videos, a series, if you will, pretty soon. And that's a wrap. Here's wishing you the very best and 2 thumbs up, way up. Connect soon, okay? Bye.